Well, good morning. John Neal here. It's Thursday the 1st of June and you can hear a wren here very loud because it's quite early in the morning. It's 5:25 because today in Nuneaton they are delivering the Knife Angel and I've got to fly the drone to capture the big event. Let's go. You're thinking, John, why so early in the morning? Look, the roads are deserted. Well, the Knife Angel is being delivered at 6 a.m, so there are no crowds around and on the back of a great big lorry. So this is the best time to do it. I'm in town and outside the council house. The delivery of the Knife Angel will be along this road, from this roundabout and along here. And just spoke to one of the officials, a policeman, who says it's coming on its way. It's 10 to 6. So I better get myself ready, and I presume it's coming down main road over there. So to be honest, this would be the best place. As you can see, when you approach the middle of Nuneaton town centre, the Knife Angel certainly makes an impressive sight. So I went along and had a chat with one or two people to see what their impressions were.
I think it's harrowing, to be fair. I saw it when it was first in Coventry.
Oh yes,
like years ago,
yeah.
before I had my daughter. Yeah, it's sad, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. Nice to have something in Nuneaton.
What do you think the purpose of it is?
It's
Knife- stop
to
knife
prevent
crime.
knife crime.
It's never going to stop it. But
That's why the police are trying to
just like
encourage
the-
people to hand up their knives.
Might get there.
it's like the idea of it.
Yeah.
To decrease. That's what I say.
Yeah, thanks.
I think it's quite an imposing structure, and when you look at the expression, it's like a pleading expression.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is,
I mean, it's the sort of an angel
yeah.
with all of that implies, and then knives with all.
Yeah,
Is that what it's about?
Yeah. Well, it is what it is.
Beautiful. It's solemn,
Yeah,
but I reckon it should be called the Angel of Death because that's what it probably is.
yeah.
I suppose it's hard for you because you use knives all the while.
Yeah, I was going to say I'm a chef, so it's
Okay.
it's a difficult message, but it definitely sends out a picture.
Yeah. Certainly impressive, isn't it?
Very, very,
Yeah.
Once it lit up at night and all, I don't know whether they're going to do or not. But in Coventry, it was beautifully lit up at night time. Yeah.
Can I ask you what you think?
Phenomenal.
Yeah?
It's phenomenal. It kind of gets me there.
Yeah.
My daughter had seen it when she was in Gloucester.
Yeah.
And she said, Mum, when it comes to Nuneaton, go and see it.
Yeah.
She said, it's wonderful.
Yeah. So what do you reckon?
My mate Ben don't like it, but I like it. Yeah, it's only here for the month. Let's make the most of it.
Yeah.
You know. But yeah, I like it. What are your thoughts?
You know, there's an angel with his hands out, pleading down to everybody, covered in knives. You don't know what to say.
Please don't stab me.
Yeah. Excuse me, can I ask you what you think about it?
Pardon?
What do you think? Can I ask you what you think?
Well, it's one way of getting rid of the knives, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's one way of getting rid of the damn knives. There's too much knife crime.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Do you think this will have any effect?
Well, I hope the young ones take notice. I hope the young people take notice because it's them that's going the ruddy knives, isn't it?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Take care. So what do you think of the impact of it?
It's amazing. You know,
What do you think the message is behind it?
there's a very strong message behind it. You know what people not supposed to do with knives. You know, but to make a glorious sculpture of that, you know, that is beautiful, beautiful.
I'm honoured to be here today to witness the ninth angel arriving to Nuneaton. Like many other families and loved ones, it brings a stark reminder of those we have lost to knife crime. I still sing the lyrics to Concrete Jungle. I'm going out tonight, I don't know if I'll be alright. The animals are after me. It ain't safe on the street. So, sorry, I'm in public. I'm going out tonight, I don't know if I'll be alright. Everyone wants to hurt me, there's so much danger in the city. Now my wife, Julie Staple, will say a few words.
Thank you. I was supposed to have my stepdaughter Melanie here with us today, but it all became just a bit too much for her. And at the last minute, she cried and pulled out. It's been 5 years since she lost her son, my step-grandson, Neville's grandson, Fidel, when his life was taken and the person who took his life is still moving around through life with no consequence. Others were there. They witnessed the awful murder, but they too are walking through life with no consequence, nothing on their conscience and no consequence. Perhaps that is the key word here, consequence. What are the consequences of using vicious weapons on another human being to maim or kill? Finally, the Ironworks, the Knife Angel, Alfie Bailey, who we previously met, this reminds us of just how dangerous our streets can be, in the most inspiring yet haunting way. It can talk to you, it can provoke you, it can dazzle you. For me, it also disturbs me with feelings of dread too. But it's a superstructure that represents pain and hurt in the most beautiful way. Please bring your family and friends to see and talk about the Knife Angel and feel its powerful message. It's a masterpiece on the street.